Hey loves, it's your girl Lovely Angel Lady. L to the what? L to the A to the Isl. Thanks for tuning into my channel, mis amores. Today's video is being brought to you on behalf of no other than SamsBeauty. Alright y'all, so let's get into it. We have a Vice HD lace wig today, okay? Sis is a whole lioness out here, you heard me? So this is ViceUnit1. I have her in Flamboyage Auburn, okay? Which I love, y'all know I love Auburn. So let me show you. This is this chick on a stock card. Which she look a whole lot more tame. But let me tell you, even if you just want to part her, y'all, sis is that work, okay? She gonna make your arms exhausted. Like, I didn't take a brush and like brush through her because I didn't want to make her like too much bigger than what she already is. So I used my fingers and I used some wig detangling spray, my Bobos Remy leave-in conditioner for, you know, wigs and extensions and stuff. So I use that on most of my, especially my synthetic wigs. But y'all, let's get into it. And then I'm gonna show y'all, I did the bald cap method because she does have a pretty much a set, like her parting. This is on the model, how she's rocking it. So, and then yeah, I put mine on. Actually, I did not turn it to the side, y'all. Because look, because how the combs are, here. There are combs on each side of the part. So I pretty much have it in the middle. But I had to fight just to make the part, you know, look decent. Because every time you part through, you have to kind of pull the hair. You have to pry with your fingers to pull the hair apart. And let me tell you, them fingers was getting stuck, child. This hair is, whoo. Talk about kinky, but it is synthetic, you know. But as far as like the illusion, the look of like actual like, you know, real hair, it does give that look. But I know it has been color processed, so I don't know if all of them are like this, but this is definitely some textured synthetic hair. Look at this texture, you heard me? And y'all, this lippy I have on is from Wig Slayers Beauty or Wig Slayers Cosmetics. I will have to find the name of what I ordered. As y'all know, some time ago I did use her eyeshadow palette. Hey Nicole, hey Epic Shay, I love you sis. That's my boo. Okay, so y'all, let me tell you what color she comes in. So she's available in these colors right here. All of them. I don't want to say them all, but a lot of flamboyage colors. Yeah, she comes in a 27 to 30, a flamboyage auburn, a flamboyage blonde, a flamboyage chocolate, a flamboyage mocha, and a flamboyage sand. Okay, I told y'all. So the features are her HD lace, which y'all know I have to go in with powder and all that stuff just to make it look more realistic so I don't look ashy. We do have a pre-plucked hairline, baby hair. Them suckers is long, so you do need to trim them baby hairs down before you style the edges. Should you decide not to cut the baby hairs off, you can always cut them off if you don't like baby hairs. And then ear to ear, 5-inch deep. It's ear to ear as far as the lace. And then it's a 5-inch deep hand tie parting. And this is a Sensationnel. I forgot to let y'all know, Vice is one of Sensationnel's collections. Is definitely a lioness. Let me just show y'all. ViceUnit1 is a lioness, child. Yes, she's a lioness. So she's a lot of hair. I thought it was cute to like put it back like that, but I'm gonna show y'all in the back. I was like, oh Lord, I hope we don't look like a poodle today. But y'all, watch me go ahead and style this chica. And yeah, just watch. I'll post the pictures at the end of the video like I always do. Thank you SamsBeauty once again for making this video possible for me and my loves. If you have not subscribed, I hope you will go ahead and do so and join the fam. It does not cost you a thing. It's free, boo. You heard me right, it's free. It don't cost you anything, so please stop what you're doing. Subscribe. Make it official. Join the LAL fam. You will officially be one of my lovelies once you subscribe to the familia. So go ahead and press that subscribe button. And also don't forget to beep beep, tap tap, bang bang, jing jing. Tap the alert bell. The notification bell will let you know whenever your girl is uploading, so you will not miss any of the goodness that goes on up over this way. So how, let's go ahead and see how your girl style her. I did say I did the ball cap method, so y'all check out the rest of the video and I will post pics at the end. Remember, your girl loves you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm out. Later. Bye, loves.
I found love, for real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling.